Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So as you all know guys, I'm learning English, and related to this I upload video on YouTube. So what I'm learning daily, so related to this I upload video on YouTube. So guys, in this video I will tell you what I have done today since morning. I will tell you in this video. So guys, first of all, I woke up, and after that I freshened up, and then I brushed my teeth. Then I received a call. Then I knew that my maternal grandmother, she is admitted in hospital. Then I told to mama. Then mummy, when mummy knew this, then mummy said to me she had to go there. Then mummy tell me that you go and do all work quickly. Then I did my all home chores, and after that I cooked food fastly. Then after that, after cooking food, I packed some meal for hospital, and after that I served meal to mummy and papa. And after eating then I ate myself. And then mummy got ready quickly, because there is a bus go around 9 o'clock through my village. So she was about to go by that bus, so that's why she got ready soon. And after getting ready, she went there, and after that some work was pending. I did all that, and after doing all work, then I thought I should make video now what I have done today. And so today I have to do some more work, because what work mummy do daily, after and then I have to do that's all work today. But no problem, because there is no much work. So then I thought what type of video should I make today. Then I thought what I did today, I will make that video. So just I'm recording. So guys, if you are also English learner, and you are learning English, and you can understand English, but you are not able to speak in English, then watch my video and join me, and we will learn together. And because I'm also English learner, so I think you are enjoying my video. If you enjoyed my video, then like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.